Don't open your grammar book right now. Just look at the slides and I'm going to explain one by one. Then I'm going to ask the definition from you people. After I will share the screen with you. Okay? So listen to me very carefully. Okay. All of you know this thing, adjectives are words which describe a noun. And you know that thing, a noun is a naming word. Okay? A comfortable journey, comfortable. A wooden chair, wooden. He's my best friend, best. She's an intelligent girl, intelligent. Okay? Broken mirror, broken. Mostly adjectives, they qualify a noun. Most of the time, adjectives come before a noun. Okay? But it is not necessary that adjectives come before a noun. When adjectives come before a noun, these are called attribute. Okay? Quality. Sometimes adjectives come after a noun. For example, we can use this example. He is sitting under a shady tree. Okay? Shady is an adjective, tree is a noun. Over here, the adjective shady has come before a noun. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, now students, I was telling you that adjectives are words that describe the quality of a noun. Okay, most of the time adjectives come before a noun, sometimes adjectives come after a noun. For example, he's sitting under a shady tree. I have 2 bags of rice. This picture looks beautiful. We walk down the smooth steep road. The nouns are tree, bags, picture, rice, and road. Okay? Now, there are most 5 types of adjectives. Okay? Qualitative, quantitative, demonstrative, interrogative, and possessive. First is qualitative. As the name suggests, qualitative describes the quality of a noun. Okay? Good, beautiful, intelligent, smart, comfortable, okay, frightened, scared, okay. These are all qualitative adjectives. He is my best friend. Best is qualitative and friend is noun. Okay. The fearful children ran up the wooden stairs. Children noun, stairs noun. Fearful adjective, wooden adjective, qualitative, because it is describing the quality. How were the children feeling? The children were scared. Okay, what kind of stairs did they run up to? Wooden stairs. I bought a stunning blue shirt from the market. Quality, stunning, blue. It seems a wise decision. Okay. Other than that, there are so many examples. Okay, I'm sitting on a comfortable chair. Comfortable. This house is very big. Big. Okay. My school is very nice. Nice. Okay, these are all adjectives. Big, beautiful, wonderful, amazing, stunning, marvelous, excellent. These are all adjectives. These are all qualitative adjective which describes the quality of a noun. So remember this thing that qualitative adjective describes the quality of a noun. Okay? Interesting book. Book noun, interesting adjective. Long story. Story noun, long adjective. Okay? Broken mirror. Broken adjective, mirror noun. Okay? Steep road. Steep qualitative adjective, road noun. Brown chair. Brown adjective, chair noun. Remember this thing that in qualitative colors also come if they are describing the noun. For example, red shirt, blue chair, okay, brown desk. These are all qualitative adjectives. Now students, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is used to point out at a specific noun. Remember one thing, demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives both are the same. But in adjective, when we are talking about adjective, we are using the 4 demonstrative words, this, that, these, those, before a noun. Before a noun. For example, this book is very difficult to read. This book. This is demonstrative adjective and difficult is a qualitative adjective. Remember this thing that demonstrative adjectives are for this, that, these, those. This and these stands for nearest objects, that and those for objects or things which are at far distance, which are far away from you. Okay, to point out at objects, at nouns which are far away from you. Now you can see this example. Give this letter to the doctor. These apples are delicious. That boy is my class fellow. So this, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. Okay. Now students, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, obviously, possession shows ownership, possession, something which is your property. Okay. Possessive adjective comes before a noun. Before a noun. This is her scarf. Her. Because it is coming before the noun scarf. This is her scarf. Okay. That is my house. My. These are your books. Your. I am taking my guitar to the principal's office. My, because we have put my before the noun guitar. So when you are going to put his, her, my, your before the noun, these are called possessive adjectives. Okay, so remember one thing, possessive adjective shows relationship or ownership of nouns. Okay. This is my school, that is her school. Okay, which is your school. So all these are possessive adjectives because they're going to show ownership. My cell phone, your house, your book, his chair. Okay, her marker, these are all possessive adjectives. Okay. Now students, interrogative adjective. Interrogative, obviously, last time when we have discussed about pronouns, I've told you interrogative pronouns. The same thing with interrogative adjectives. Interrogative means the words which are used when we are asking a question. Similarly, for adjective, keep this thing in your mind that whether it is possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, or quantitative adjective, we have to put the words before a noun. Before a noun. Because we are qualifying a noun, we are modifying a noun. Okay? So remember this thing. For example, whose book is this? Whose book? If I say, what are you talking about? Then what is not an interrogative adjective because we are not qualifying any noun here. But if I'm putting the words like which, who, whose, who before a noun, then these are known as interrogative adjective. You can see the slide. This adjective is used to ask questions about nouns. Which song has she selected for the competition? Which. Why I have selected which as an interrogative adjective? Because it is describing the noun song. Okay, which song? You have to put it before the noun. Which dress is your favorite? Again, dress is a noun. So which is an interrogative adjective. Whose bucket is this? Bucket is a noun. So whose is an interrogative adjective. Okay, remember this thing. Okay. One of the things which is, yes, beta, before this, one adjective is quantitative adjective. The slide is missed. So I'm just going to explain. Listen to me. Quantitative adjective tells about the quantity of a noun. For example, many, few, two, three, all, none. These are all quantitative adjectives. I have 2 bags of rice. 2, quantitative. There is nothing in here. Okay. There are 4 books on the table. 4. Okay. There is no sweet in the basket. No. Okay. All men are present. All So these, when we are putting these words before a noun, they are called as quantitative adjective. Okay? Many books, few people are standing on the beach. Few. Do you understand? So I've described the 5 types. Qualitative describes the quality of a noun. Then quantitative describes the quantity. For example, few, much, many, all, any number if you're putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all referred to quantitative. Then we did demonstrative, this, that, these, those. Then interrogative, which are used to ask questions, which, whose, who, whom. Okay. Then possessive, his, her, my, your. Remember this thing that for demonstrative, quantitative, possessive, interrogative, we are going to put the adjective before a noun. Before a noun. Okay? Now, student, I have to explain the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. One thing, you can keep this thing in your mind, that possessive adjective shows ownership of noun and it is placed before a noun. In this slide, you can see his bag, my cycle, her grandmother, your house, okay? Anything like that. So, you are putting the possessive adjective before a noun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership also, but it is not placed before a noun, okay? It replaces the noun. For example, the house is yours. The cycle is hers, okay? The book is his, okay? If I say his cycle, then his is possessive adjective, not possessive pronoun. But if I say the cycle is his, then it becomes possessive pronoun, okay? Possessive adjective comes before a noun. Remember the difference, that you are putting the adjective before a noun because it is going to qualify a noun. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now we are going to come to comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives. Okay? Positive, comparative, and superlative. We have done it in class 7 also. Rules for changing into comparative. Now students, adjectives which have 1 syllable sound, like big, small, young, old, lazy, wise, black, red, we are going to put ER with them. What we are going to put? ER with them. If we want to change them into comparative, okay? For example, small will become smaller, young will become younger, old will become older, big will become bigger. Sometimes if there's a vowel before the last consonant, then you have to double the last consonant. Okay, for example, big, B-I-G, big. There is I before G. I is a vowel. So you are going to double the G. B-I-double-G-E-R, bigger. Similarly, red, R-E-D, red. E is a vowel. So you are going to double the last consonant D, redder, R-E-double-D-E-R. Do you understand? So adjectives which have 1 syllable sound, they take ER to change into comparative. Adjectives which have more than 1 syllable sound, like wonderful, intelligent, beautiful, okay, fertile, okay. So we are going to put more. Beautiful, more beautiful. Wonderful, more wonderful. Fertile, more fertile. Okay, do you understand? Intelligent, more intelligent. We cannot put intelligenter or wonderfuler, okay? Not like that, because they have more than 1 syllable. Beautiful, 3 syllable sound. Wonderful, 3 syllable sound. Fertile, 2 syllable sound, okay? And some of the adjectives are entirely changed, like good, better, best, bad, worst, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest, okay? Now the last slide for changing into superlative. So adjectives have 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Superlative adjectives, if it is one syllable sound, then we are going to put est. Small, smallest, big, biggest, young, youngest, old, oldest, lazy, laziest. One thing, you know this rule that if an adjective ends in y, we cut the y and we put iest. For example, lazy, lazier, laziest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Similarly, if adjectives have more than one syllable sound, then we are going to put most. The most intelligent, the most beautiful, the most fertile, the most wonderful. And for changing, and some adjectives are entirely changed, then we put good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest. Okay, students? So adjectives are used to describe a noun, they qualify a noun. Qualitative adjectives tell about the quality of a noun. Demonstrative adjectives are used to point at a noun, specific noun, this, that, these, those. Quantitative adjectives tell about the quantity, much, few, many, a little, no, two, three, four. Okay. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns, which dress, whose books. Okay. Then possessive adjectives shows ownership of noun, his jewelry, your cycle. Okay. My books. Okay. Then there are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative, and superlative. Comparative degree is used for comparison between the two nouns. Okay. He is more intelligent than his brother. We are going to use T, H, A, and then. Okay. He is more intelligent than his brother. Okay. I am taller than my friend. Taller for comparison. Superlative, the highest degree of adjective. For example, Asad is the tallest boy in our class. Okay. She is the most intelligent girl of her family. Do you understand, beta? Okay. Now I'm going to ask you people. Okay. Now, first of all, we are going to do the exercise. All of you open your books, grammar books. All of you open your grammar books. Chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, page number 11. Your new grammar book, The Grammar Tree, second edition. Chapter number 3, adjectives. Exercise A. Exercise A. Beta, please unmute yourselves. Yes. Underline, all of you have opened your books. Please tell one by one. Don't create disturbance, okay? Okay, beta. Exercise A. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Read out the first sentence and tell me the adjective. Quickly. Who will tell me?
Wise. Wise.
Very good. It seems a wise decision. Wise. And can you tell me the noun here?
Decision.
Decision. Very good. Okay. And what type of noun, adjective is this? Which type out of 5 types?
Quality.
Very good. Number 2. Who will tell me number 2? She made chocolate cake for her mother.
Chocolate cake is adjective.
Adjective. And there is one more adjective. There is one more adjective, beta. What is that adjective?
Her.
Her. Very good. Her is which adjective? Chocolate is a qualitative. Her is which adjective? We have to do the whole exercise, so be quick, beta.
Demonstrative.
Her is used to for possession. So it is possessive. Okay? Okay. Now the third. He fell unconscious on the floor.
Unconscious.
Unconscious, correct? Qualitative. Number 4. He goes for walks daily. He goes for walks daily to improve his health.
His.
His,
Daily.
correct. His, beta his. His, which adjective his?
Possessive.
Possessive, very good. I got up early to catch an early morning train.
Early.
Early. Early morning. And which adjective? Which adjective it is? Early morning? Qualitative. Okay.
Qualitative.
Now better turn to page number 12, exercise B. All of you have opened exercise B?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, exercise B, pick out all the adjectives in the following sentences and say to which class each of them belongs. Out of the 5 types, qualitative, quantitative, demonstrative, possessive, and interrogative. One by one, everybody has to participate. Now, first sentence, Noman, you will do. Read the sentence and tell me.
The car sustained heavy damage in the accident. Heavy.
Good. Heavy. And which adjective it is?
Qualitative.
Qualitative. Good. Number 2. Umema, you tell me.
He has written several stories. Several. Quality.
Very good. Quantitative. Quantity, no? It is telling number. Quantity. Okay. Several quantitative. Good try, beta. Number 3. Yes. Number 3, Faisal. Yes. Faisal, read out number 3. Okay. Amara Rahman, you can tell me. Hurry up, beta. Okay. Fatma Irfan, you can tell me. Beta, don't waste time. Okay, who will tell me? A dog is very faithful to its master.
Faithful.
Faithful, correct. And one more.
It's.
One more. It's very good. Faithful is qualitative and it is possessive. Number 4. Number 4, who will tell me? Hunain. Yes, Hunain, number 4. Ji beta, number 4. Okay, some other student.
Amen.
Every man has his duties. Yes, his. His is which adjective?
Possessive.
Possessive, correct. Possessive, possessive, correct. Number 5, he is a man of few words.
Few.
Few.
Few. Which adjective?
Quantity.
Qualitative.
Quantitative, correct. The project was very successful.
Successful.
Very.
Correct.
Very.
Successful. 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 Successful is qualitative. Which color do you prefer?
Which?
Which? And it is which adjective?
Interrogative.
Interrogative, correct. The way was long, the wind was cold. Yes.
Long and cold.
Very good. And both are
Qualitative.
qualitative. With the exercise C, all of you will do in homework, because this you have to put any adjectives which they have mentioned. Adjective of quality, any quality you can put, like Meera is a good student, Meera is a nice student, Mira is a top. Anything you can put. Okay. So
Miss,
this
can you
is your
please?
homework.
Yes. Miss, can you repeat the last one?
The way was long. The wind was cold.
Yes.
Long and cold. Long and cold. Qualitative. Okay. Now, students,
Okay.
exercise D. Exercise D, same page. Page number 12. Fill in the blanks with the possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. I have told you that possessive adjective comes before a noun and possessive pronoun replaces a noun. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay. The film star is a friend of dash.
Her.
Mine, correct. I lose dash temper very quickly.
My.
Mine. Very good. Very good. Good. Now, beta, in the first, it is used as a possessive pronoun, and in the second, it is used as a possessive adjective. Some other students also try, beta. The cat is sleeping because dash has just had a bowl of milk.
It.
It. Good. It. Correct. I think dash keys are lost. My keys are lost. Your keys are lost. His keys. Anything you can put. Possessive adjective. Number 5. Shehla watched every movement of dash in the dance before declaring dash in the first blank hers and in the next her. Okay. Shehla watched every movement of hers in the dance before declaring her the winner. Okay. My work is no business of
Yours.
yours. The teacher told the children to open dash books.
Their.
Their books, correct?